Good morning, children. So, once again, we are meeting in fourth lecture of chapter 7. That is grammar section, types of sentences. Now see, children, in third lecture I explained you about different types of sentences, right? Basically, before starting new topic, let me rewind that old one. In third lecture I explained you about what is meant by statement, right? What is meant by command, what is meant by request, what is meant by exclamation, and what is meant by question type of sentence. Take for example, statement sentence किसको बोलते हैं? तो statement sentence मतलब plain sentence जिसके पीछे full stop आता है. It is called statement sentence, right? Take for example, देखो आपके पेज नंबर 57 पे, पेज नंबर 57 निकालो, तो उसमें दिया है It was a wonderful party. बराबर? It was a wonderful party. तो वो सेंटेंस के पीछे फुल स्टॉप है, तो ये क्या बन गया? स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस बन गया. बराबर? वो स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस बन गया. It was a wonderful party. प्लेन स्टेटमेंट है, राइट? फिर दूसरे बात, Did you enjoy the party? क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. Did you enjoy the party? पार्टी थी, क्या आपको मजा आया? राइट? तो उसमें क्वेश्चन आता है. Did you enjoy that party? तो वो सेंटेंस कौन सा बना? क्वेश्चन टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस. It became question type of sentence, right? थर्ड है, what a wonderful party it was, right? It is a sheer feeling of surprise. तो वो सेंटेंस बन गया हमारा exclamatory sentence, exclamatory sentence बना, right? Now, stop talking about parties. तो ये क्या हुआ? कमांड आया कि पार्टी की बहुत बात हो चुकी, अब बात छोड़ो, पार्टी की बात मत करो. तो ये बना कमांड. बराबर है? एंड लास्ट वन, प्लीज डोंट टॉक अबाउट पार्टी. जो सेंटेंस में जहां प्लीज से शुरू होता है सेंटेंस, वो लगभग रिक्वेस्ट वाला सेंटेंस होता है. है समझ में? प्लीज डोंट टॉक अबाउट पार्टी, तो ये क्या बन गया? रिक्वेस्ट. तो हमारा जो 5 टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, एक था स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस, दूसरा था कमांड सेंटेंस, तीसरा था रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस, चौथा था एक्सक्लेमेशन सेंटेंस, और पांचवा था क्वेश्चन टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस. और उसके बाद हमने एक एक्सरसाइज भी की थी पेज नंबर 58 पे. We have already concluded one exercise on page number 58, which you are supposed to turn it into homework, and possibly you will send as a part of your homework. Okay? Now, we will move further, right? Let's learn. Page number 58. Request can be written with the sentence beginning in please. मतलब request sentence always start, see I am writing out all these things. Request sentence starts with please, right? अगर हम किसी को रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं तो पहले प्लीज आता है समझ में? It starts with please. Request sentence is equal to, it starts with please. It starts with please. जो प्लीज से सेंटेंस शुरू होता है वो कौन सा बनता है? रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस. टेक फॉर एग्जांपल, प्लीज bring me a glass of water. Glass of water. बराबर? Please bring me a glass of water. Right? दूसरा सेंटेंस आप देखो, तो प्लीज टेल मी द टाइम, प्लीज टेल मी द टाइम, राइट. तीसरा सेंटेंस अब देखो, प्लीज टेक आउट योर होमवर्क, प्लीज टेक आउट योर होमवर्क. बराबर. ये सारे रिक्वेस्ट वाले सेंटेंस की हम बात कर रहे हैं, राइट. सबकी बात करेंगे. प्लीज लेट द बस पास बाय, प्लीज अलाउ मी टू पास. तो ये जो सेंटेंस मैंने लिखे, राइट, ये चारों चार सेंटेंस कौन से हैं? कमांड, सॉरी रिक्वेस्ट. प्लीज ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, प्लीज टेल मी द टाइम, प्लीज टेक आउट योर होमवर्क, प्लीज अलाउ मी टू पास. So in short, request sentence always starts with please. You understand? Request sentence always starts with please. ये पहला आ गया. फिर second part of request sentence. This was first part. Usually request sentence starts with please. Now second part about request sentence. Requests often take the form of polite question. Request sentence often takes the form of polite questions. Polite question. Polite question मतलब सॉफ्ट क्वेश्चन. पहला रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस दो तरह के होते हैं. एक सेंटेंस जो होता है वो प्लीज से शुरू होता है. दूसरा रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस हमेशा पोलाइट क्वेश्चन से शुरू होता है. राइट. सी द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, विल यू प्लीज पोस्ट दिस लेटर टू मी, राइट. नंबर वन, will you please post this letter to me? Letter to me? Question mark. Will you please post this letter to me? दूसरा sentence. May I come in, please? May I come in, प्लीज. ये दूसरा क्वेश्चन आया, मे आई कम इन प्लीज. तीसरा, कुड यू टेल मी द वे टू स्टेशन. थर्ड, कुड यू टेल मी द वे टू स्टेशन. Excuse me. Could you tell me the way to station? तो ये जो सारे सेंटेंस हैं वो सॉफ्ट क्वेश्चंस बने, पोलाइट क्वेश्चन. ये सारे पोलाइट क्वेश्चंस बने. और पोलाइट क्वेश्चंस हमेशा रिक्वेस्ट वाले क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. है समझ में? तो ये मैंने आपको सिखाया रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस. बराबर है. देखो वापस बोल रहा हूं, रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंसेस आर ऑफ टू टाइप. फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विथ प्लीज एंड सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विथ पोलाइट क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विल यू प्लीज पोस्ट मी दिस लेटर. ये रिक्वेस्ट ही हुई ना. नंबर टू, मे आई कम इन प्लीज, रिक्वेस्ट ही हुई ना. थर्ड, कुड यू टेल मी द वे टू स्टेशन. So these are all types of request sentence, right? Now we will switch over to exclamatory sentence, right? Now we'll switch over to exclamatory sentence. Is it clear? You know what is meant by exclamatory sentence. Sudden feeling of surprise. Okay, children? Sudden feeling of, ये सब आपको 12th तक काम आएंगे, ध्यान रखना. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. When feeling, when a sudden feeling of surprise is found in a sentence, it is called exclamatory sentence. You write down this definition. Come on, quick. ये बिल्कुल easy definition है. When a sudden feeling of surprise is found in a sentence, it is called exclamatory sentence. Come on, quick, write down. When a sudden feeling of surprise is found in a sentence, it is called exclamatory sentence. Take for example, मैं आपको एक simple sentence देता हूँ, right? It is very hot. It is very hot. ये simple sentence है, statement है. तो उसका exclamatory करना है, तो क्या आंसर आएगा? How hot it is, right? क्या आंसर आएगा? How hot it is. पीछे exclamation mark रखना मत भूलना, बराबर है? तो statement में से हम exclamatory sentence को convert करते हैं. Simple sentence मेरे पास क्या था? It is very hot. How hot it is, right? अच्छी. I hope you get well soon. I hope you will soon be well. I hope you will soon be well. If I want to change this sentence into exclamatory sentence, then what shall I write? May you soon be well, right? May you soon be well. May you soon be well. अथवा ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, May I hope you soon be well. ऐसे भी आप लिख सकते हो. May I hope you soon become well. तो ये बना हमारा तीसरा सेंटेंस, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, राइट? ये पहला था, ये दूसरा था. नाउ थर्ड वन. I wish that I were a bird. I wish that I were a bird. I wish that I were a bird. Right? तो उसमें आंसर क्या आएगा? Oh, that I were a bird. I wish. Oh, I wish that I were a bird. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. मैंने अलग से आपको लिखाया है. बुक में जो दिया है उससे मैंने आपको इजी बना दिया. राइट? आई विश दैट आई वर अ बर्ड. तो आपका आंसर क्या हुआ? ओ, आई विश दैट आई वर अ बर्ड. तो ये हमने बनाए एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. क्या बनाए? एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. अभी एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस का दूसरा रूल. राइट? right? Exclamatory sentence का दूसरा exclamation with what or singular noun what, right? Use rule number 1 rule for exclamatory sentence. Number 1, use what or, right? When you are having a singular noun, right? You know what is meant by singular noun. When the sentence is in singular form, right? Then you are supposed to use what or. Singular noun is equal to what or. Use singular noun, use what or in case of singular noun. Singular noun. Use what or in case of singular noun. मान लो, what a pity you can't come with us. What a nuisance that child is. Right? Number 1. What a nuisance that child is. Right? देखो child मतलब एक लड़का, तो उसका उधर क्या आएगा? What nuisance that child is. बराबर? दूसरा sentence, what a pity you can't come with us. You means singular, right? What a pity. What a pity you can't come with us. You can't come with us. What a pity you can't come with us. Right? ये मैं आपको singular noun वाले exclamatory sentence करवा रहा हूँ. Right? Third, what a lovely sight it is. What a lovely sight it is. What a lovely sight it is. बराबर? What a lovely sight it is. चौथा sentence, what a great idea. Fourth, what a great idea. तो ये जो सारे सेंटेंस थे वो कौन से थे? सिंगुलर नाउन वाले. आया समझ में? ये सारे सेंटेंस सिंगुलर नाउन वाले थे. सिंगुलर नाउन वाले जो सेंटेंस है, अगर एक्सक्लेमेटरी आप करते हो तो उसमें क्या यूज करने का है? व्हाट अ. क्या यूज करने का है? व्हाट अ. आया समझ में? व्हाट अ यूज करने का है सिंगुलर नाउन वाले सेंटेंस में. Now, in case of plural, right? If the sentence is in plural form, then it starts with what? It starts with what? If the noun is in plural form, more than one noun, then that sentence starts with what? Right? what with an abstract noun or plural noun, right? What abstract noun में आता है और plural में भी आता है. Now first sentence. What fun your new friend is having, right? What fun? What fun your new friend, what fun your new friend is having. Is having, right? Then second sentence. What a genius you are. A singular बन गया. What beautiful music they are playing. What beautiful music they means plural. They are playing. What beautiful music they are playing. Remember? What beautiful music they are playing. Third. What lovely eyes she has. What? Eyes plural होते हैं, दो आंखें, right? What lovely eyes she has. What lovely eyes she has. Right? Then, what funny things, right? Many things. Fourth, what funny things he says. Right? So these are all the sentence belonging to plural और abstract noun. अगर plural noun होता है और abstract noun होता है तो sentence what से शुरू होता है. Right? पहला sentence मैंने क्या लिखा? What fun your new friend is having. Fun मतलब ढेर सारी मस्ती. हम friend singular की बात नहीं कर रहे, fun की बात कर रहे. ढेर सारी मस्ती, खुशी, वो तो गिनी नहीं जाती ना. What fun your new friend is having. Second, what beautiful music they are playing. Number of musicians must be playing some musical instruments. So possibly this statement was delivered. What beautiful music they are playing. Third, what lovely eyes she has. Right? हमको दो आंख होती है, दो आंखें मतलब प्लूरल हुई, तो वो what आएगी है, right? What lovely eyes she has. Then what funny things he says. Possibly he must have said many things, but that was all funny. So what is my question here? What funny things they have said. Okay, this was exclamatory sentence. मैंने आपको कमांड करवाया, एक्सक्लेमेटरी करवाया, स्टेटमेंट करवाया, क्वेश्चन. अभी हम क्वेश्चन मार्क लेते हैं, राइट? क्वेश्चन टाइप. क्वेश्चन टाइप सेंटेंस. Question type sentence. Question type sentence. Number one. Question type sentence always starts with question mark. It always ends with question mark. And a question is asked in that type of sentence. It's called question type sentence. Right? Number one. Inquiry. What is your name? What is your name? Question mark बन गया. This is called question type of sentence. Remember, what is your name? Question 2. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Remember? Third. Who is the president of our country? Who is the president of our country? Right? Fourth, what is the score of match currently? Right? So these are the questions having question form. Your questions are asked to opposite person. Right? Take for example, what is your name? Where do you live? These are all the questions I am asking. Because it is called question type of sentence, interrogative sentence. Right? Who is the president of our nation? Who is the president of our country? What is the score of match current? तो ये जो सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसको क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में बोले जाते हैं, बराबर है, उसको हम क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. आया समझ में? ओके. We have done exclamatory, we have done statement, we have done question form, we have done request, and now it is our command type sentence. Command type sentence. Command sentence. See, when you read the sentence, you will find command in that sentence. There is no request. Barabar? There is always a command, an order. Number 1. Get out of my class. Get out of my class. Get out of my class. ये गुस्से वाली बात हुई ना, ये कमांड हुआ. बराबर है. नंबर 2, do not pluck the flowers. Do not pluck the flowers. बाग बगीचे में जाते हो तो उधर इंस्ट्रक्शन लिखी होती है छोटे छोटे साइन बोर्ड पे, पेड़ पौधों को नुकसान मत कीजिए. डू नॉट प्लग फ्लावर्स. बराबर? तो ये एक कमांड हुआ. बराबर है. थर्ड, bring me a glass of water. Bring me a glass of water. Glass of water. अगर मैं लिखूं प्लीज ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर तो रिक्वेस्ट आ जाती है. सिर्फ मैं ऐसा लिखूं ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर तो क्या आ जाता है? कमांड. बराबर? फोर्थ, हमको याद करने का है. राइट? You ought to act wise. You ought to act wise. बराबर? ये एडवाइस भी है और एक कमांड भी है. एक चेतावनी भी है और एक कमांड भी होता है. You must act wise. You ought to act wise. तो ये जो सेंटेंसेस मैंने लिखे अभी वो कमांड के सेंटेंस थे. Get out of my class. Do not pluck flowers. Bring me a glass of water. you ought to act wise. These are all the sentences of command. So once again, why I have repeated second time? Because these are all the sentences which will be asked up to 12th standard. Number of times I told you. And unfortunately, I told you in class, we are supposed to start your grammar section. Barabar? But before we can start this grammar section, children, our education started online. So please see these lectures carefully. No doubt we will revise all these things in class, but it is not possible to write all the examples and make understand. Please don't ignore your lecture. Right? See the lectures properly. Don't just skip the lectures. In first lockdown we have seen number of children were blank. Because this type of lectures, it takes a lot of pain for us children. We have to work extremely hard. We are supposed to shout in a blank room for almost 1 hour. You understand, children? Do we like it, not like it, if we are well, unwell, whatsoever it is. You must take the best advantage of your lectures. Is it clear, children? So don't waste your time. Watch this lecture seriously. See, in lecture number 3, I taught this type of sentence. In lecture number 4, once again, I made you solid form of this type of sentence. Once again, I am repeating all this before we go to new topic. Once again, I am repeating the whole topic. Number 1, we have studied about command sentence. What is meant by command sentence? It is written on the board. Right? There is some authority. That is called command sentence. Then we have studied about questions. Right? Question type of sentence. Basically that question type of sentence are called interrogative sentence. That I wrote. Then it was exclamatory sentence. Remember, exclamatory sentences are of 2 types. When there is singular noun, sentence starts with what or. When there is plural noun as well as abstract noun, it starts with what. When there is abstract noun or plural form of noun, it starts with what. When there is singular noun, it starts with what or. That is exclamatory sentence. Request always starts with please, almost. Now, the last part, that is called plain statement, assertive. वो सेंटेंस को हम assertive sentence बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रामर की लैंग्वेज में उसको assertive sentence बोलते हैं. Simple statement, right? Statements. Statements. बराबर? Statements. Number 1. Bhavnagar is a beautiful city. Beautiful city. ये पूरा सेंटेंस स्टेटमेंट बन गया. भावनगर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल सिटी. बराबर है. दूसरा सेंटेंस, आई लाइक टू प्ले क्रिकेट. आई लाइक टू प्ले क्रिकेट. ये सिंपल सेंटेंस बन गया. सारे बच्चे को क्रिकेट खेलना अच्छा लगता है. Third, unfortunately, our school is closed due to COVID. Due to COVID. Unfortunately, our school is closed due to COVID. बराबर? We have lot of homework. Lot of homework. Today we have lot of homework. See, these are plain sentences, right? Simple sentence. Basically, they are called assertive sentence. Bhavnagar is a beautiful city. I like to play cricket. Unfortunately, a school is closed due to COVID. Today, we have a lot of homework. So, these are the sentences which belongs to different category, right? We have studied simple sentence, means a statement type sentence. We have studied assertive sentence, means this type of sentences. Then we have studied exclamatory sentences. Then we have studied question type of sentences. Then we have studied command, order, request. All these type of sentences we have studied. So actually this is the second lecture I made you to study. Now see, none of the examples I have taken from book. We have written these examples by our own self. So you can construct all these type of sentences by your own self. Is it clear? Right? So, let us do one thing. First you type, you write. Homework. Right. Write at least 10 sentences. Made by your own. Made by your own. Right? Write at least 10 sentences made by your own. You are supposed to write 10 sentences. Right? Number 1, command. Number 2, statement. Number 3, question type. Number 4, exclamatory. Number 5, request. Right? Total 50 sentences. Right? Total you are supposed to write 50 sentences. You are supposed to write total 50 sentences and send this work to your associate teacher. Once again I am repeating this homework. I have not taught you anything new. I have refreshed all the things of previous lecture. Right? Whatever was taught on Monday, once again today we are repeating the same, because after this we are supposed to move to new part of sentence that is called affirmative, negative. Right? So, before we move to affirmative, negative, you are supposed to learn and understand all these of sentences in any formation. It is not like that. It only comes from book. You can construct of your own. See, number of examples I made you to write on board and made you, right? अगर ये आपको मैं आपको एक सजेशन देता हूँ, अगर ये समझना है बार बार, तो ये लेक्चर है, आप डाउनलोड कर लो, बराबर है? आप ये लेक्चर डाउनलोड कर लो, ताकि आपको बार बार अगर देखना है लेक्चर, तो आप समझ सकते हो, देख सकते हो, बराबर है? ताकि आपको कमांड बिल्कुल पता चल जाए, रिक्वेस्ट का पता चल जाए, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस क्या है मालूम पड़ जाए, ताकि आपका जो थीम है टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस का, वो बिल्कुल मजबूत हो जाए। अगर ये क्लियर हो गए, तो दूसरा स्टेप जो हमारा है एफर्मेटिव नेगेटिव का, वो हमारा अपने आप क्लियर हो जाएगा। फिर उसके बाद हम एक्टिव पैसिव में चलेंगे, ताकि एक एक के बाद एक एक स्टेप, जो मैंने बोला था आपको क्लास में कि जनवरी में हम पूरा ग्रामर मंथ लेंगे, जनवरी फरवरी। टेक्स्ट बुक तो अभी हमारे पास है नहीं, तो मैं मार्च अप्रैल तक हम ग्रामर करेंगे। मेरे को कोई जल्दी नहीं है, एक एक सेंटेंस शांति से हम करेंगे, ताकि आज जितना हम समय दे सकते हैं उतना ही समय हमको 9th 10th में नहीं मिलेंगे। अगर आज आपको आता है तो 12th तक आपको इसमें प्रॉब्लम रहेगा नहीं। इज इट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? So once again, my homework is, you are supposed to construct sentence by your own, 10 sentences of command, statement, question type, exclamatory sentence, and request type of sentence, right? Total it became 15 sentence, right? 50 sentence. And this 50 sentence is to be sent to your associate class teacher, not to me. You are supposed to send your homework to your class teacher. Okay, children? So with this, I am ending this lecture. See you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Take care.